Good morning, kids. How are you all? You all are fine. Very nice. I am also fine, dear. Students, today we are going to do one new poem. And what is the name of the poem? The day has begun. The day has begun. So, now I am going to show you one video. And the sentences will be coming on the screen. So, I am going to read it. Then we are going to read the poem from the book. Then I am going to explain you that. Then we will do the exercise. Okay, students? So you all are ready? Now I am going to show you the video. So you have to speak along with me. Okay, dear? The day has begun. Butterflies flutter, butterflies flutter. Baby birds twitter, baby birds twitter. Caterpillars awake, caterpillars awake. Leaves gently shake, leaves gently shake. And here comes the sun, and here comes the sun. The day has begun. The day has begun. Okay, students? So, you had seen the video. Now, I am going to read the poem from the book. Okay, dear? Now, students, what is the name of the lesson? The day has begun. Okay, dear? The day has begun. The day has begun. Okay? Butterflies flutter, baby birds twitter, caterpillars awake, leaves gently shake, and here comes the sun. The day has begun. Okay, students? Now, once again, I am going to read this. You have to read along with me. Okay, dear? So, butterflies flutter, baby birds twitter, caterpillars awake, leaves gently shake, and here comes the sun. The day has begun. So, now you have to sing the poem along with me. Okay, students, you all are ready? Butterflies flutter, baby birds twitter, caterpillars awake, leaves gently shake, and here comes the sun. The day has begun. Okay, so you have to do the action along with me. Okay, action, you have to do the action with your two hands. Okay, I am going to show you my two hands. Where are your two hands? Show it to me. Butterfly flutter, baby birds twitter. Butterfly flutter, baby birds twitter. Okay, show me your hands. Why you all are not singing? You have to sing along with me. Butterflies flutter. See, like this. Butterflies flutter, baby birds twitter. Caterpillars awake. See, this is caterpillar. Okay. Caterpillars awake, leaves gently shake. So now we are going to sing the poem from the beginning. Butterflies flutter, baby birds twitter. Caterpillars awake, leaves gently shake. And here comes the sun, the day has begun. Okay students, clap. Clap all of you. Clap for me. Clap for you. Okay. So once again, I'm going to sing it. So you have to sing it along with me. Okay dear. 1, 2, 3, start. Butterflies flutter, baby birds twitter. Caterpillars awake, leaves gently shake. And here comes the sun, the day has begun. Okay, clap all of you. Now students, I am going to explain you this. Okay dear. Butterflies flutter. You all know butterflies, colorful butterflies. You all know na? Butterflies flutter means butterflies are flying. Okay. So in this poem, the poet, what he is doing? Poet means kavi, जिसने ये लिखा है. Okay. So the poet is praising. He is praising about the nature. He is praising about the nature, about the sun, plants, insects. Okay, in this poem, he is praising about all of these. Butterflies flutter means butterflies fly. Baby birds twitter. The baby birds are tweeting. They are talking. And when they start talking, when the day has begun, जब दिन शुरू होता है. कैसे शुरू होता है दिन? जब मॉर्निंग में, अर्ली मॉर्निंग में जब डे स्टार्ट होता है, तो कैसे स्टार्ट होता है? जब बटरफ्लाइज उड़ने लगती हैं, फ्लटर करने लगती हैं, बेबी बर्ड्स ट्विटर बात करने लगती हैं, उनकी चीची सुबह मॉर्निंग में आवाज़ आती है हमें. कैटरपिलर्स अवेक. कैटरपिलर्स भी उठ जाते हैं. एंड लीव्स जेंटली शेक. लीव्स जेंटली शेक टू गिव अस द स्मॉल कोल्ड morning breeze. And here comes the sun. The day has begun. So when the day started, when the sun comes up in the sky, when it rises up in the sky, all the living creatures started their movement, because night, all the living creatures, whether it is plant, insects, animals, people, we the people, at the night, we all used to take rest. But when the day started, when the sun rises up in the sky, all the living creatures started their activity. Like baby birds started tweeting, they started talking together, butterflies flying up in the sky, caterpillars awake, leaves gently shake. So, what the poet is trying to say? He is trying to say that when the sun rises up in the sky, all the living creatures started their beautiful activities from the morning, and by this the day started. The day is started by all these activities. Okay students, so in this poem the poet is praising about the living creature, about the beauty of the morning. Okay students, I hope you all understood this lesson. So students, now what is your work to do? What you have to do? You have to make one video and you have to recite this poem with the action. You all know the action now. We had performed together. So what you have to do? You have to make a video of this. Okay students. Now I am going to start the exercises. Now student, in this exercise, what you have to do? This is very fun loving exercise. Okay. So in this exercise, what we have to do? Spot 5 differences between picture A and picture B. And what we have to do? We have to circle them. So students, can you see it on the screen? Two pictures are given over here. One picture is picture A. In the one picture we had given the name picture A, and in one picture we had given the name picture B. Let me show you. See, you can see these two pictures, picture A and picture B. Both are similar pictures, but there are five differences between both of the pictures. Okay, so one is already given to us. See this one, the bird over here of purple color, violet color. So it is here, but it is not here. So like that, we have to point out four more differences. Okay dear. So first, do this activity by yourself, and when you are not able to do it, then you can see this video. Okay, so I am going to show you what are the differences, but what you have to do, you have to do it by yourself. This is very fun loving activity. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do this activity by your own. Okay, and when you will not be able to point out the difference, then you can watch this video and watch the answer. Okay students, now I am going to show you what are the differences. First difference is already given in the book itself. The second difference is this cloud. See, you can see this cloud. This cloud is here, but it is not here. This is the second difference. First one is bird. Second one is cloud. Now third one is the sun. It is here, but it is not here in the picture B. Okay. Now you can see what over here? River. But it is not here in the picture B. So, how many we had pointed out the differences? Bird, cloud, sun, river. One more is left. Can you point out one more? See, you can see the petals over here of the tree. On the top, there are 5 petals, but it is not here. And I had noticed one more difference, that is, you can see the grass shape over here, but it is not here. So we had pointed out 6 differences. Bird, they had already given, so cancel it. Cloud, sun, river, petals of the tree, and grass, the shape of the grass. Okay students, now what we are going to do, now I am going to give you the activity in the notebook and the hard words. Okay students, so quickly take out your which notebook? English notebook. One sharp pencil and colors also. Okay. So students, first we are going to do the activity. Okay. First write on the new page, write poem, P-O-E-M, poem, and the name of the poem, the, T-H-E, the, day, D-A-Y, day, has, H-A-S, has, begun, B-E-G-U-N, begun. Now, leave one line. Now write activity, A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y, activity. Now we are going to write the name of the activity. First I am going to read it. Draw a butterfly and decorate it with waste material. Draw, D-R-A-W, draw a butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly, and decorate, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E, decorate it, it, with, W-I-T-H, with, waste, W-A-S-T-E, waste, material. material. Now student, in this activity I am not going to show you this. You have to do it by your own, and if you find any difficulty then you can ask me. You have to draw one beautiful butterfly and you have to decorate it with any of the waste material whichever you are having at your home. You can decorate with pulses also if it is available at your home, or rice, uncooked rice, or from the leaves, or from the popcorn, anything. Show your creativity in this activity, okay students? So you can do it with popcorn also, leaf also, flower also, original flower or artificial, okay? Bindi also. So you have to do it by yourself, but if you find any difficulty then you can ask to me, okay dear? Now turn the page. Now students, we are going to write the hard words of the hard words. Hard, H-A-R-D, hard. Words, W-O-R-D-S, words. Now the first hard word is butterflies. The spelling of butterflies is B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. Now the second word is flutter. F-L-U-T-T-E-R, flutter. The third word is Twitter. T-W-I-T-T-E-R, Twitter. And the fourth word is caterpillars. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R-S, caterpillars. So the first word is butterflies, second is flutter, third is Twitter, fourth is caterpillars. Now I am going to read the next words. Now the next word is awake. A-W-A-K-E, awake. Sixth word is gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. And the last word is shake. S-H-A-K-E, shake. The fifth word is awake. Sixth is gently. And the seventh is shake. So students, we had done the activity also and the hard word also. So this poem is finished. We had done the reading of the poem. Then we had recite the poem. Then what we had done? Tell me. Then we had done the exercise in the book, fun activity. And in the notebook, we had done the hard words and the activity. Now, what is your assignment? What is your homework? You have to make one video, and in that video, you have to recite the same poem the day has begun with the action, or if you're having any puppets or any extra thing, that also you can do, okay? Action is compulsory. And the next activity is in your notebook, you have to make one beautiful butterfly, colorful butterfly with the waste material or with the things you are having at your home. No need to purchase anything from the market, okay? I hope you all enjoy today's video. So I will be waiting for your video and the assignment, okay? You have to WhatsApp me the video and the art and craft work that you have to upload it in the assignment section. Okay students, do take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye students, take care.